And as we watch a steady increase in COVID cases and hospitalizations, there's some positive news in the search for treatments.
Eli Lilly has been granted an emergency use authorization for its monoclonal antibody therapy, similar to the drug by Regeneron used to treat President Trump. Dr. Frank McGeorge joins us now with just who might benefit most from this. Frank?
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So I'll get to that in a second, but I want to start with something kind of interesting. So never mind the advanced technology that went into producing artificial antibodies against a new virus. What actually has Twitter going was its tongue twister of a name. It's spelled BAMLANIVIMAB, and that's pronounced Bamlanivimab. And 3,000 doses are on their way to treat people right here in Michigan.
Eli Lilly's monoclonal antibody treatment for COVID-19 has been granted an FDA emergency use authorization for treating mild to moderate COVID-19 in non-hospitalized high-risk COVID-19 patients. This decision was based on a study of the drug published in the New England Journal of Medicine that found it could decrease the need for hospitalization in high-risk patients from 10% in those who received placebo to 3% in those who received a single dose of the drug. Notably, this drug is not indicated for hospitalized patients or those who require oxygen. It is only considered beneficial if given early in a person's illness. High risk is defined as having any of the following: a body mass index over 35, which is obese, chronic kidney disease, diabetes, immune suppression, or age over 65. Certain people over 55 and between 12 and 17 years old are also eligible to receive the drug if they have other specific risk factors. Bamlanivimab is an artificially produced antibody that neutralizes the spike protein on the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It's given as a single dose through an IV. The most significant potential side effect is an allergic reaction, which can be severe. As part of Operation Warp Speed, doses of the drug have already been purchased by the U.S. government and will be distributed at no cost to patients.
Now, this treatment is being given under an emergency use authorization based on an early analysis of a phase 2 trial, meaning full approval will still require significant additional study. Nonetheless, Lilly is ramping up production and more doses will be coming in 2021 as well.
I'm still thinking about Bam Bam Leave a Lamb. What a name for that. You said it perfectly, but what a tongue twister. But I want to ask you seriously before you go. Given that the drug is only approved for high-risk individuals with specific conditions, how important do you really think it'll be?
Well, so it is true that people who would qualify for the drug are actually fairly precise, but if it works as hoped, it will probably prove very useful by actually helping keep those high-risk patients from getting worse and ending up in the hospital, especially at a time when hospital beds will frankly be filling up.
Yeah, as we see the numbers climb. Okay, Dr. McGeorge, thank you.